Uh-oh, we lost Cody.
Nah, I'm here.
There he is. We both traded, see?
You guys are
crashing.
Oh, yeah.
Monkey brother.
How do you learn to fly a plane?
Monkey. Let it in.
Yeah.
Rise of the Apes. One of us. One of us. One of us.
We're doing
It's very
the
simple to
plane,
fly
man.
this airplane. Whoops. Something happened.
That's just your
Someone's
flaps.
phone's going off.
It's the flaps. Now they're
Someone
out.
get your phone.
Man,
Hey!
come on, take off already, bro. Take off already. Oh yeah? Okay. I'll get my phone, bro. I'll get my phone. Wait, where's my phone right now?
I got it right here.
Whose phone is that?
Hello?
Hello? Bro, oh, that must be my phone. Hey, let me look.
Alright.
Hold on a minute.
I will now make an announcement to all the passengers.
Some true words.
Hey,
What gangsta monkeys? You can't afford this. Sheesh!
Oh, we're taking off. While you guys are flying in that flight, I'm gonna play Clash.
Oh, I thought you jumped out. I was like, oh, wait a minute.
Oh, my chest is done.
Already play Switch, bro. Man, this is gay as hell. Oh my god.
The monkeys on parade.
That battle is useless. I just lost.
Well, that was fast.
No, I immediately knew I lost when I was getting rushed. I'm not gonna rage. Hey bro, you wanna trade a pineapple for like what you got?
What we
I got an apple.
Hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
No.
We're going down with it.
No.
Mayday.
Mayday. Wait, no, I can't take. No.
Alright, GG, bro. GG.
Yeah.
Good game. Why'd you jump out?
Why? Why you gotta do us like that?
Did you see me outside the window though? I was like, I'm coming! I'm coming!
That was nice.
Comedy.
Airplane!
You still didn't.
Yeah.
Oh
whoa.
my gosh, you beat the shit out of it! The hell was that? Beat the shit out of that plane.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you messed it up real good, monkey. Way to go.
Tokyo drifting this plane.
Never understood the power of monkey.
We shall offer it a sacrifice. Watch this magic trick. Ready? Monkey noises.
Mountain. How do we not just die?
Monkey.
Someone just used their juicer. Oh, someone's phone's going off again.
Any of you want this watermelon, bro?
Where'd you
Like,
find
real
that
quick?
watermelon at?
Hey, that was underneath my seat.
I found it up here under my seat.
What?
I'll give it to you.
Must
Give me
have
that
rolled
apple.
up there. Okay, here. Reach. Oh, yeah.
Pretty good.
What are you looking at?
Yo, what do you put in this apple?
It's rum and coke. Flip it over. It tastes like rum.
Hey, yo.
Oh,
hey,
shit.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo.
Hey, yo.
Yo, control your jet, man.
Fasten your seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelts.
I asked you, what did you put in that apple? You didn't answer. You only said Coke and rum. What else you put in there?
I do not know. I'm gonna hit the plane now. Let's see if I can hit it.
Beat it with the stick. Beat it with the stick. Wait, give me one of those, actually.
Shit.
Give me one of those.
You don't need a beating stick. Just beat the shit out of this plane. Yeah, lift off. Fly away, plane. Fly
Bro, we should have
away.
done this with this plane, bro. Bro, this would have worked so well.
Who needs engines when you have freaking
Well, a minute.
balls to take the plane off? Oh.
Oh, damn. Dude, he exploded. Look at him.
We did it.
Oh,
Beat
that's
it,
a
beat
good
it,
idea.
beat
We
it.
need the
Get
beating
it.
stick. We need the beating stick.
Right. I'm getting in the plane.
Monkey
Oh my
stick.
god, we.
Monkey stick. Can you imagine somebody just spawns in and sees
too strong,
monkeys
man.
beating the shit out of an airplane?
It'll buff, it'll buff.
The
Get it.
newest fear of this game. Monkeys.
I can lift the whole thing.
Yeah, lift it, lift it.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna beat this plane over here.
I can't do nothing.
You in the plane?
Beat that one.
Ooh, that plane like spiked.
We unlocked a new level.
Oh damn. That was
Yeah,
fast.
we
Yeah.
defeated the new level.
Hey, there's another person.
Oh, you guys have the sticks.
Hey,
What?
beat the plane, beat the plane, beat the plane.
Beat his plane! Beat his plane!
I'm trying to get the D. It's a friggin' Douglas DC-3. Do you guys not even? You guys know what this thing is?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Beat the
it's a
plane.
Douglas
Beat
D3.
DC-3, my guy. It's a Douglas DC-3.
Used in World
We're
War
still
II.
beating
by
the
the
shit
way.
out of it.
Oh no, he's in it. Get in the
Used
plane. Get in the plane.
World War
Oh yeah, get in!
No.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, wait, for the next one. We're sorry.
We did it.
It wasn't used in World War II. It was a commercial plane.
In World War II.
Yeah, they paratrooped out of it.
Are you thinking of the frickin' F-18 or something?
No, I'm talking about like
No.
freaking
The
World War II. No.
Hey!
No. Oh my gosh. Well, that worked too well.
Did I? It was an inside job.
It turns out there's a bad pilot.
I can't breathe. That was hilarious. Oh my
It wasn't-
There's
god.
a very bad pilot.
Get in.
It wasn't used in World War II. I'm not gonna get in then. You know what? Frickin' I'm getting in.
Watch it happen. Watch it happen. Come back. Come back.
Uh.
Come back.
Welcome aboard American Airlines flight number 769 to Phoenix.
Watch it happen.
Ain't nothing gonna happen because I'm in this control. What the frick?
Take off the
Can
brakes.
y'all explain?
I think you forgot to turn off the brakes.
I just turned
Oh,
the
shit.
gear on.
Hey, it's hovering. It's fine.
You're doing a good job.
You're flying right out. Look, get back in the plane. It's gonna fall.
Oh shit! There it goes. We might be going somewhere now.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. They're not going nowhere.
Nice.
You're doing good.
Oh no, he broke free.
You're doing
Get
good.
him. Get him.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
No. Too much monk. Too much monk.
Too much monkey, yeah. There's way too much monkey.
Wait, guys, I think he's changing airlines.
Hey.
He's changing airlines.
What plane is that?
He's changing airlines. He's changing airlines.
He's changing.
Shoot, no, here they come. Here they come. Here they come, no!
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
The Invisijet. Oh, it's back.
I'll get in. Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
Yeah.
Someone get in the
Oh my god. Oh! I just got exploded across the map. I just got exploded across the map.
I know. I looked and I was like, there's the ground! 50,000 feet below us! Where'd the other guy go?
He left, I think.
Bro.
Hey,
No, he's still in here.
Because of this.
I'll
Because
just
of this.
because
Just think, we
the
wouldn't have
popsicle.
found this out if it wasn't for Cody accidentally smacking the shit out of one of the smaller planes.
There he is. Wait, no, that's Monkey.